Hi everyone. Today we're going to be taking the blower assembly out of a Broan EWP1. To take this blower assembly out of this EWP1, the chimney hood has to be removed off the wall. First steps, what you would do is the upper flue has two screws. There's a screw on the left side and there's a screw on the right side of that upper flue. You're going to remove the screws. The upper flue will slide down into the lower flue and you can just grab both of them and you can lift the flue off the unit like so. The next step you would do, because there's screws that are holding this hood to the wall, you're going to take the aluminum filters out, or I should say stainless and aluminum. And that's filter one. There's two filters. Second filter is removed. In the back of this hood, there's holes. And there's a key slot hole. More than likely what the builder would do is put a screw there to hold this from lifting off the mounting bracket. So you would remove the screws if they have screws in. This whole hood will then lift off like so. You can carry it, you can put it on your truck, you can put it on a workbench or a safe spot so you don't damage nothing. What you need to do to remove that blower, there's 4 screws on the top. There's one here, one here, one here, and one here. And I'm going to go ahead and remove these screws. And once those 4 screws are out, you can turn this around so the back of the hood will be facing you. On the back of the hood, there's going to be 2 more screws here and here. And I'm going to go ahead and get these removed. Once those 2 screws are out of that back, the blower will drop right off into the inside of that hood. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of turn this around so you can take a look at it. And right here, all you would do is you pull that blower out. That blower cord is connected to the board. All you have to do is take the cover off and just disconnect it, just to pull. And that's it.